Hi, I'm Phil, co-founder of Melder, an Excel add-in built specifically for buy-side teams. Melder has two powerful components, Synthesis and Agent. First, Melder Synthesis, a suite of document AI tools built right into Excel. Need to review deal rooms? Here I am analyzing regional customer differences for a target company. I can click on any insight and get immediate citations backing up each claim. Need to extract financial figures? Watch Melder pull all the loan terms from this document with an easy verification system so you can confidently use this data in your model. Second, Melder Agent, your chat sidekick that builds analysis as you work. It uses standard Excel formulas and follows finance best practices. Think of it as a 24/7 analyst doing the first pass on everything you need. And with our new Blueprint feature, you can automatically build common analyses with just one click. Melder is the easiest way for finance teams to adopt AI. It works entirely in Excel and can be deployed immediately. No IT headaches, no workflow disruptions. Ready to transform how your team works? Just go to melder.io to get started.